Hey guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm obsessed with these microwave mug cakes. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a 0 smart point on WW apple cinnamon mug cake. How does that sound? For those of you that are on the green WW program, you can change the egg that I use for egg creation or egg beaters, and then for a quarter cup of it, it's also 0 smart points. So that's how you can get around it. And I just made these cinnamon crepes, just gonna show you, and I'm gonna do that next, so stay tuned for that recipe. This is really, really simple, guys. I have my nice size mug that I've sprayed already, and I just bought this at the dollar store, so you can use whatever mug you want. I'm using a medium banana, the riper the better, and I just take my potato masher and just mash that up really quickly. Okay, now I'm gonna just throw in 1 extra large egg or large egg, it doesn't matter. I love things that you can just throw into a bowl. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of some cinnamon. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fruit monk sugar. You can use real sugar if you want. You just have to account for it if you're on WW, but you can use any honey, sugar, sugar substitute, swerve, truvia, stevia, whatever you want, or even Joseph syrup. Okay, so 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put in just a pinch of some pink Himalayan salt to bring out the flavor, and 2 tablespoons of my Quest protein powder, okay? And then that's 0 smart points for 2 tablespoons. And we're just gonna mix that together. If you can find another high protein powder, I buy this. You can buy it on Amazon. I like the vanilla, but again, you can find different protein powders at Walmart, at Costco, and you're just gonna mix that up. So for the apple part, okay, so that's this part, and mix it up really well. You wanna get the lumps out. Make sure everything's nice and incorporated, okay, that's it. And the other thing that we're doing is I took a half of an apple and I peeled it, and then I just grate it. So it's about 3 tablespoons of grated apple, all right, that's it. We're gonna put half inside and half on top. But first, I'm just gonna add a little bit, like a 1/4 teaspoon of some lemon juice. And I'm just gonna sprinkle in a little bit of some cinnamon, less than a 1/4 teaspoon, probably 1/8. And we'll put in a 1/4 teaspoon of some monk sugar or whatever you want, and just mix that in because we want our apple to have lots of flavor too. Okay, so we're gonna put half in the batter and mix that up. And it only takes 3 to 4 minutes depending on your microwave. So you're just gonna take your batter, put it in your microwave safe mug or bowl, it doesn't matter. Okay, just get all of it. And we're gonna sprinkle the rest on top. So we have that on top, just like that. All right, and just microwave it. Super easy, super fast. Now, you can eat it right from the mug. I like to let it get cool, and I'm gonna show you. I have one already made, okay, and it's super delicious. And the great thing about it is it's versatile, so you could add other fruits to it. And I'm gonna show you, I forgot to show you, I have chocolate whipped cream. You could put that on, and it's the Ready Whip Light, or you could take Cool Whip, or just eat it on its own, have a little bit of fruit, and it is super delicious. I'm just gonna cut a piece so you can see what it looks like inside. I like it, like I said, I like to keep it in my fridge. So if you make several of them and you wanna serve them, I like to keep them, I love them cold. I like them hot, you know, however you enjoy it. So I just want to show you, bring it up. And, you know, it's a fair size. It's really, really dense and delicious. And let's take a bite. You can have it for a snack, dessert. You can have it for a breakfast item. Why not? High protein, 0 fat, and of course my favorite word, delicious. And let's see, it's gonna take a couple more minutes, but I just wanted you to see that you just microwave it, and like I said, you can eat it hot, cold, however you want, with something, without something. All right, so I hope you enjoy this video. Super easy, super fast. Again, you know, check it after about 3 minutes. You might want it harder or softer. You can freeze them as well. Keep them in a sealed container. And then you can thaw it out and microwave it again. And they're super easy and delicious. All right, take care, enjoy, and please comment, tell me what you think, and if you change it up or keep it the same. All right, love you guys, and I love your comments. Take care, and I want to blow you a kiss. Mwah. Bye for now.